dolls, it's Honey with Honey's Hair Dolls, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install a 360 mink body wave wig. Now, not only is it our most popular texture here at Honey's Hair Dolls, but I'm going to be using a 16-inch wig, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my braiding pattern, how I install, how I pluck the wig part, and also how I do my baby hairs. Before I get into that though, you guys, I really just want to say I am so blessed and I am so grateful for everybody that has subscribed to this channel, all the love that I've been receiving, all the follows on Snapchats and Instagrams. I appreciate you guys, and them videos are going to continue to come. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you do. Make sure that the notifications is on because a lot of good content is coming. And I know that I'm going to get some DMs about this hair and what is going on. Yes, this is the same wig from the last video. All I did was dye it jet black a couple of days ago. I will get into that a little bit later. For now, let's get to this video. So the biggest thing to get a nice flat wig or frontal hairstyle is ensuring that your foundation is flat and sleek. So as you see, I'm giving my girl some nice cornrows going straight back. And you know, cornrows are really good because they're very easy on the edges depending on who's doing them. Having flawless braids under your wig or frontal is very important because that's also what helps promote growth. So when your hair is braided nice and neat underneath any wig, frontal, or sew-in, best believe you're going to get a really good, nice growth spurt because your scalp can breathe, your braids are nice, and they look fresh. This is one way to wear your braids underneath your frontal. Nice, sleek cornrows. Okay, so here I'm going to be taking a pair of scissors and I'm basically going to be cutting out that ear frame just to ensure that the wig is customized to her head. Ladies, remember, when you get a wig, you have to ensure that it's customized for your head frame so that it's going to fit snug and tight. So all I'm doing is I'm taking those scissors and I'm cutting around the ear to take off any excess lace that does not belong. So without any glue or adhesive yet, this is exactly how our lace frontals lay and how they look without anything on them as of now. Here I'm going to be parting it by her ear area and ensuring that I customize it so that where the flaps lay, they will lay extremely flat. Be sure to cut off any extra lace. And because this is a 360 lace wig, you can put this up into a ponytail, bun, or any updo that you choose. 360 lace wigs have lace covering the crown perimeter. The total wig density is 180%. With this 380 lace wig, you can have the versatility and styling options. Freestyle parting, so you can part in any desired direction, and no more need to worry about your edges showing or tracks being exposed. Also, how a 360 wig is customized is it has lace all around the perimeter, and then there are tracks in the middle of the unit to ensure that it's extremely full, so that when you purchase this wig, you only have to make one purchase because it is one unit. Here I am going to the back and I am customizing the baby hairs so that if my client wants to put her hair up, she is able to, and that there will be no tracks or extra hair showing in the back. It is now time to apply some adhesive, so I'm going to be pulling back that lace wig and I'm going to just ensure that her forehead has no makeup on it so that I can apply and that our wig sticks firmly. It is very important to ensure that you have no residue on your forehead and that it is very clean so that you get a nice sleek look. Here I'm just taking some Got2b glued and I'm just applying that above her edges to ensure that our wig sticks firmly, and I'm going to do that from ear to ear to ensure that all glue has been applied. Here I'm just ensuring that her wig is put on tight, and I'm working my way from ear to ear to ensure that the wig is laying down flat. Here I'm going to be taking my rat tail comb and my blow dryer, and make sure that your setting is always on cool, and this is just going to help our frontal lay down and also dry our glue. It is baby hairs time. So my client expressed that she wanted baby hairs with this frontal. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and my toothbrush, and I am giving her baby hairs around the bridge of her hairline. And then here I'm going to be taking my Got to Be Glued Freeze spray, and I'm going to spray those baby hairs and tie them down. After I'm done styling my baby hairs, I always tie it down with either like a silk wrap or a headband, because it really helps your wig lay down extremely flat and your baby hairs. So here I'm just tying it down, and I will usually let this sit until I'm done styling the hair. So she purchased a 360 body wave mink wig from our website. This wig is 16 inches. Per request, she wanted some wanded curls in her hair, so that is exactly what I will be doing now, and this will complete our look. As you see, this is what our hair looks like once it's been curled. The curls stay in all day, so if you want a wanded look, honestly, you will keep your wanded curls in for probably 3 days. This hair holds a really, really good curl. So now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once I lift up that silk wrap. And as you see, her wig is laying extremely flat. It's not going to lift up by the ears. Her baby hairs are laid down nice and neat. And this is exactly how it looks once you lay it down. Also, I must add, this was her very first time wearing a wig, and she loved it. And I just want to put out there that wigs are a very great protective hairstyle for your own hair. And as you see, she had a head full of hair. So definitely, if you haven't tried one and you're looking into try one, or you're scared to try one, I would recommend doing it. Here, I'm just going to be adjusting and curling some more and getting the wig exactly how she requested.
You were just 16. This is for them 30-something that didn't turn out exactly how your mom and dad wanted you to be. This is for them 40-something, well, raise up your glass and laugh like them both.
So again, this is the Mink Body Wave wig in 16 inches. It comes in every color, including custom color. Also, it goes all the way up to 22 inches when ordered online. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. Also, ensure that the notifications are on for our next video. Again, thank you for tuning in.